But thanks. In more health news, an increase in federal dollars for Medicare reimbursement. U.S. Senate Majority Leader Chuck Schumer recently announcing this move. And tonight, New York Capitol correspondent Elise Klein is joining us live with what this funding will mean for eligible New Yorkers. Elise, good evening.
Good evening, Eva. This increase in federal dollars is a finalized rule about the Medicaid wage index rate, which will essentially increase payments for Medicaid services for hospitals in upstate New York from the federal government. And today, some New York State lawmakers say this increase in funding could go a long way to address workforce shortages. A recent increase in the Medicare wage index rate estimates a nearly $1 billion impact per year for hospitals in upstate New York. The Medicare wage index rate is used to determine how many federal dollars are used to pay hospitals for labor costs when they treat Medicare patients. Some New York State lawmakers say hospitals in upstate counties have been underpaid for decades, but this increase in federal dollars could have a significant impact.
And I think what it's going to do is start to address some of the long underfunded challenges that these health systems have been struggling with.
Each region in upstate New York is set to receive millions of federal dollars for their hospitals' Medicare services. Rochester through the Finger Lakes region will receive an estimated increase in the Medicare wage index totaling over $242 million. Assemblymember McDonald says this increase in federal dollars could also potentially stop or slow down service cuts. He says service cuts such as closing emergency rooms has a significant impact on communities.
It's not going to be perfect by any stretch of the imagination, but at the end of the day, keeping emergency rooms open is critical.
Assemblymember McDonald also tells me today that this increase in funding could be an opportunity to look at restoring services that have previously been cut. Reporting live from Albany, I'm Elise Klein for Erie News Now. Eva, back to you.